Hello everyone, you're back here at Stock Picks by Tim, and today I'm going to talk about Chargepoint. I'm going to look over the technicals. I'm going to bring up an important date here, mid-November. Watch out for their earnings. And I'm also going to go over previous earnings, kind of what happened with the chart, and go over important support levels to keep an eye on. But as always, guys, thanks for your support. So I'll leave links in the description of everything that I go on here. And right now I'm at Stocks Register. I don't think I've ever been here before. I wanted to give you guys an important date here. So November 15 to November 19. I'm guessing that's going to be that trading week. They're planning on releasing their quarterly earnings. And keep in mind, last earnings were pretty damn great. We got 56 million revenue, which was a 14% beat. That was fantastic. And their EPS was 1 cent off, so it was a negative 13 cents earnings per share, where 12 was expected. Right now we're at a $6.7 billion market cap. Now remember guys, I just said their last quarter was negative 13 earnings per share. Now we have the same thing. So there's been one upward revision for the stock's earnings per share in the last 7 days. Now this was posted on September 8th. We have 10 analysts total, 2 rating it as a hold and 8 as a buy, and 0 suggesting to sell. So that's a good sign there. Now the revenue is expected to be 49 million with a low of 46 and a high of 50. So in the 46 to 50 million range. And last quarter we had 56 million. So feeling pretty good about this one. And keep in mind their cash in hand. I'll leave this for a second for you guys to look over, but their cash in hand is 618 million. Operating income is a negative 74 million. So it seems like they got quite a bit of money to continue to burn because they are losing money here, but they're reaching closer and closer to positive earnings per share. That's the main takeaway here. And as for a growth company, I think this is a good time to get it. We're looking at the charts here. This is why I think it's a great time for me to get it, is because we're right here at that support level. So yeah, right here at the support level under all the 20 to 200 day EMA, we're under all of those indicators. And look here, we just filled our gap. That was after hours. That was on earnings September 1st. That was when that was. But after earnings, I was actually listening to the conference call, and right when I heard that their revenue beat by how much it did, I just looked at the stock and like the thing took off probably good. I think it was like 25% just over after hours. And then check it out though. It took it all back, and now we're trading back here at this support level. And most people are expecting expecting a correction for the overall stock market. So this thing has been beaten down though, so it could go either way. But if it does go more to the downside, I definitely see $20 being our next support. Because if you go back here, it was trading at right there at 20. We have actually 4 nice spots here where it hit it and it just bounces the heck off like insane. I mean, these are nice fluctuations here. So if we do catch that 20, I'm expecting a nice bounce in the future coming up. But this is another long-term hold for me at least. I'm seeing more and more chargers up, more of these all over the place. So I drive all over Napa. This wasn't a picture I took, but here you have their chargers. This isn't a reason to buy, obviously, but it's just kind of nice to look at them and see your investment in person. And these are the premium outlets, but I've seen these all over town, and they are the number one. They do have number one market share. But yeah, guys, keep in mind ChargePoint is the number one North American charger, and they are moving to Europe. And they're, I believe, the last revenue, 9% of it, I believe, was from Europe. So they are expanding there, and that's definitely a good sign. But this is one long-term EV play that I've had and I've been continuing to slowly buy over time when I see deals and I see it hit a nice support level. But thanks again, guys, and I will see you on the next one.